This will be a short tutorial on completing the CRF Online Registration. What you will need as you complete this process is the CRF Online directions that look like this, and your child's course request form, which looks like this. Now when you log in to the site, you can log in through two pathways. One is by going to the school's website and clicking this icon here and logging in using your student's novel username or password, or by going to sis@powayusd.com and logging in as a student. So we're going to log in as a student through this means. And it's going to take you to your child's home screen. And when you get to that screen, you will click on Course Request on the left-hand side. It'll take some time for you to get to that page, but when you do, you want to make sure that you read the directions at the top of this page. To begin this process, what you will do is you will go to the selected course request box here, and you will click here to change course requests. When you get to this page, you will enter the course from your CRF, which is marked with an X, or the courses that are the top choices. For this one student, Course and Exploring Technology are their top choices. So we're going to go ahead and put the course ID numbers into that screen box located at the very bottom. So course is 100-594. After I put the number in the course ID box, I'm going to press Search Courses. When that course appears at the very bottom, I will select Request and then move it to the selected course request by pressing that button at the top of it. I'm going to put the next top choice for this student, and that course was Exploring Technology, which is 100-270. And when that course appears, I'm going to select Request, and I'm going to press the button above that to move that to my top choices. And so now you see that I have Chorus and Exploring Technology as my top choice electives. Okay. As I provide directions, always remember to put the course ID number into this box and press Search Courses to find the courses. Do not use the department button, course title button, the college prep, or elective buttons. The quickest way, again, is to search courses by using the course ID number. So now that I have my first choice electives, what I'll do is I'll put in my backup courses. And for this student, Art is the person's second choice elective, and Exploring or Exploratory Spanish is their third elective alternative. So we're going to put those courses in. So Art is 100-210. Press Search Courses. Now the course appears at the very bottom, and when this course appears, instead of pressing the request, I'm going to click or press this little bubble here so that alternate is selected, and I'm going to move that to the alternative section. The other alternate course for the student was Exploratory Spanish. So I'm going to put that course number in the course ID box and press Search Courses. That course appears at the very bottom, and then because I want this as one of my backup choices, I'll press Alternate and press the button above it which says click here to move selected requests to select the course request. And there you have your backup courses at the very bottom. And you also have your top choices at the very top. Now, when you look at the screen and are satisfied with the courses that you have, you can click here to return to course request summary. Now when you get to this stage, this is a second page for you to double check your courses. If you are satisfied with the courses that you selected on the screen, you can press Lock Courses. Just remember though that when you press Lock Courses, you are not able to make any more changes on this online registration program. However, if you look over your courses and you want to make changes to your course selections, go ahead and click here to change course requests, and it'll take you back to that mode where you can change classes. Now, for example, if this student decided that they want to change their courses and have chorus, year-long chorus be their first choice, and have exploring Spanish, chorus semester, and semester art as your backup choices, what we're going to do is go back to this screen, and all you have to do is press the remove button for the courses that you want to remove. And for the purpose of our exercise today, I'm going to remove all of them. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my first choice elective, which is year-long choir, in. And I'm going to press search courses. And the year-long course comes up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the request button. Just a note, if you see any kind of notation here under the elective, college prep, credit, or comment section, just go ahead and disregard that. It's not important in this process in completing the selections that you want. So once you've got that course in, you want to press the request button as your first choice, and that course appears at the top, or the first choice electives. Now I'm going to put in the backup courses. And for this student, they selected Exploring Spanish, Chorus, and Art as their backups. So we're going to go ahead and put those courses in. Exploring Spanish is 10478. Press Search Courses. The course appears at the very bottom. And this time I'm going to select Alternate. And I'm going to press the button at the top to click here to move selected request to selected areas. And there you go, is my first backup on the screen. Second backup course is semester-long chorus. So when I press that, the course appears, and again I'm going to move this to the alternate section. My last backup course is art. So I'm going to put the course number in the course ID box, press search courses, and when the course appears at the very bottom, I'm going to select it as an alternate, and then press the button above to move it to the alternate section. And there you go. You have your first choice elective, which is year-long choir, and then you have 3 backups just in case you cannot get into that year-long choir class. Now if you look at the screen and you're okay with it, you can go ahead and click here to return to course summary. Or if you want to change it again, you can press the remove button and add the course ID number in the box to make revisions and changes to the selection. But again, if you're okay with this selection of primary courses or first choice courses and backup courses, you would press click here to return to course request summary. And this is another screen for you to double check that the courses that you want are what you've selected. And if you are okay at this point in time, what you need to do is go ahead and press Lock Course Requests. And again, if you do that, you cannot make any changes on this online registration process. Hope this short tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, please contact a counselor at Bernardo Heights Middle School or have your child come by to the counseling office for assistance. Thank you.